Joe Beermaster here. We have a 2011 Nissan Pathfinder. Today we're going to show you how to change the bulb and remove the assembly to change the bulb. Alright, so today we're going to open the hatch. First thing we're going to do. And when you do, you reveal there's two 10mm bolts. This is going to be real quick. There's also push pins that hold it in. You can't see them, so you got to try to wiggle it out. If you can't wiggle it, you want to kind of hit it like that. Just keep wiggling it and working it out. They're in there pretty tight, so you have to be creative here. Keep wiggling it, pulling it.
Sometimes you can get a plastic pry bar.
You really don't want to use a pry bar because you don't want to damage the paint, but if you do it gently.
Here we go.
See how he's putting the pressure towards the light? Real gentle.
If you know where the
get your fingers in there now. Alright, so that's the fast way of doing it. The pry bar isn't really recommended.
Yeah,
you can work it out with your hands.
It's like just a pressure clip, but they're really tight sometimes.
And a grommet. So now if you want to change a bulb,
turn them counterclockwise, pull it out,
and you pull it straight out.
And you just pull it in.
Can hold that. I'm just going to show that.
This bulb is marked, so that'll tell you what you want. Let's see.
That one's in there pretty tight. And on the bottom there's a number. It's hard to see with the numbers there. That tells you what number bulb you got to get. We're going to put that back in. And then you could also call your local supplier, tell them what year and model the car is. If it's with a brake light, reverse light, or turn signal, they will know.
These are keyed. They have to go in a certain way. They can only go in one way, so you can't mess it up and put it in a different socket. And you just turn it back clockwise.
All right, so
your light.
If you want to replace the entire light assembly, you just unscrew all the bulbs and you replace the light assembly if it were damaged. But if you just need to replace the bulbs, that's how you do it. This one was real simple. You put it back the other way. Of course, check your lights before you put the assembly back in to make it simple. And that's it. Joe Beermaster. That's a quick one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up.